On an electric vehicle or a hybrid vehicle, you need to locate the 12-volt battery. It should be in the same position as it is on a normal vehicle. We'll connect across the positive 12-volt to the negative terminal of that battery. Now that we've got power to the ABAX device, we just need to fit the antenna in place. Now we need to connect the ABAX antenna. We recommend it goes at the bottom of the windscreen. However, if you are looking to conceal it and don't want it on display, just make sure it's not concealed under anything metallic.